Welcome to a brief introduction to the Automated Ticket Data Analyzer. Here we have a new ticket dump that has just come in. The first thing we do is open the ticket dump. And here we see our raw data, none of them standardized. All we have to do is open the Automated Ticket Data Analyzer file. Once you open it, you will see columns, each of which have a specific heading. All we need to do is take the raw data and put them into the columns under the specific heading. For example, the incident numbers go under the incident number column, and so on and so forth. There may be instances where certain fields are not available in the raw ticket dump. For example, here the priority field is missing. So instead of leaving it blank, all we have to do is type in NA and make sure that the entire column is filled up. Now we just need to make sure that all the other fields are filled up correctly, and then we move on to the Developer tab and click on the Macros menu. The first step is data sanitization. Data sanitization ensures that all the fields in the short description and close notes are in optimum condition for analysis. Second step is a manual task of classification. You can either choose between assignment group or CI. In this case, we've chosen assignment group. This is the only manual task in the Automated Ticket Data Analyzer. Looking at these assignment groups, the user will have to identify the task level, either L1, L2 or L3, and also put it in the subsequent infra tower. Once the manual classification is over, we're ready for the final step, which is step 3, Auto Analyzer. All we need to do is select the macro and run it. The first thing that you will notice that in the Analytics tab, there are these new columns that are automatically created and populated with data that is essential to make our first level data cuts. Now we move on to the pivot table sheet. This sheet is created automatically and is populated with essential pivot table data which is required to make our first level of data cuts. Now we move on to the next sheet, where charts are automatically created from all the pivot table data seen in the previous sheet. There are charts like average MTTR across ticket categories, automation candidates, ticket domain categorization, ticket priority split, ticket source distribution, descaling candidates, and as well as SLA improvement candidates. Not only that, but these charts are automatically exported into a PPT presentation. Now it's easier to pen down the key inferences based on the analysis, map them to Hexaware solution elements, and we are absolutely ready for the first round of presentation. This has been a brief introduction into the Automated Ticket Data Analyzer. Thank you.